Hey everyone, welcome back. Recently bought this Casio keyboard, so let's check it out. Okay, the model is CTK2550 and the MRP of this keyboard is 10495, but I got it from Amazon for just 9235. And the best part, it comes with 3 years of warranty. Inside the box, we get a user manual and 9.5 watt power adapter, and of course the Casio keyboard itself. It features 61 piano style full keys and it weighs only 3.3 kg, which means you can carry it around very easily, and dimensions are given here on your screen. There is a clear LCD display at the center which show you exactly which tone or rhythm you have selected. It comes with 400 tones and 100 rhythms, and it is equipped with 2 watt plus 2 watt amplifier. The sound is quite loud and clear, perfect for your daily practice session, and it is also compatible with Casio Codana Play mobile app. So let me show you how the sound and the quality is. Okay, it's a great product and absolutely perfect for practicing at home. My kids really enjoy practicing on this. So if you're looking for a keyboard for yourself or your children, this is definitely worth a try, and subscribe for more. Bye bye.